In modern buildings, the flooring carries the role of dynamic and static load-bearing. The friction loss, impact damaging, a variety of liquid, gas, and environmental erosion, the environment beautifying, construction integrity, as well as architectural style consistency. In the decades of development, it forms a system project of the ground structure design, surface treatment, close processing, surface effect, and comprehensive performance. Each subsystem has a great function. Thanks to the material science and technology innovation of chemical, building materials, basic applications, etc., as well as the raising of different requirements on ground environment from contemporary enterprise, R&D team makes use of resin and polymer application technology with multi-cooperation and research, creating the composite industrial floor sheet, GEMP Flooring, which combines composite materials technology, floor technology, and floor sheet technology. It achieves breakthrough from the site construction of epoxy coating to industrial preparation, and fills blanks of the domestic advanced composite materials application. The product has been obtained more than 10 national invention patents and a number of provincial and municipal scientific and technological achievement awards. GEMP Flooring provides a system solution for the industry's environmental applications and wins customers' trust. Originated mechanized sheet flooring for workshop pavement, completely changing the existing coating methods and breaking manual process constraints. It is a fundamental solution to the technical problems of the coating floor materials, as well as the traditional ground problems. Problems in traditional coating materials construction. The construction materials and processes, without a unified standard, VOC volatile, affect human health and pollution of the environment. The construction period is long, affecting production. Problems occur when the flooring is put into use. The ground dust, powder, cracking, peeling, oil, and difficult to clean up. Cement-based surface cracking, poor impermeability. Thermoplastic plastic flooring, intolerant rolling, and friction, only suitable for light commercial sites. All kinds of traditional ground defects affect employees' health, product quality, and corporate image to varying degrees. GEMP Flooring is a multifunctional flooring, a polymer composite, which is based on a compound modified epoxy resin system for the matrix material, high-strength glass fiber fabric as a reinforced material, by the professional coating continuous molding equipment, and under specific circumstances by continuous mechanization. GEMP Flooring has the advantages in structure that the traditional floor materials cannot match. Industrial-grade GEMP flooring, mainly composed of 4 structural layers. Base layer, distinct dorsal pump, increase the contact area with adhesive glue, improve the bonding strength, strong adhesion, easy to pave. Elastic layer, toughened polymer epoxy resin curing system, good elasticity, excellent structural stability, according to the use of different load-bearing intensity, so that the noise is lower, the road more comfortable. Reinforcement layer, high-performance composites technology of special glass fiber, reinforced modified epoxy resin, to overcome the original ground material brittle and easy to peel defects. Wear-resistant layer, the compound modified epoxy resin system based on different formulations, designed to meet the different industrial and commercial use of the ground requirements. Commercial-grade GEMP flooring also has a colorful decorative layer in structure. High-precision line printing technology makes pattern clear and color lasting to create the perfect flower image and personalized expression for customers, to achieve a unique sense of design for ground applications, to provide exclusive support for the project. Property depends on structure. The composite structure of GEMP flooring enables itself an excellent performance. It is fully applicable to the complex and changeable industrial ground and commercial ground environment. Wear resistance, where energy is buffered, absorbed and released by slightly elasticity and toughness, particularly suitable for production workshop for the forklift spinning, rolling. Pressure resistance. Do not deform after vehicle rolling or heavy objects bearing down for a long time. It can also recover timely. Scratch resistance. Join the unique anti-scratch materials. Pencil hardness can reach more than 6H. Sharp object not easy to scratch in. Keep the surface lasting bright. Corrosion resistance. Inert surface to prevent the infiltration of various types of media, to reduce the erosion of the media and the chemical reaction. Good property in corrosion resistance. Anti-static. Effective leak static electricity to eliminate the accumulation of static electricity and electromagnetic interference. Products with permanent anti-static function, free from environmental temperature and humidity. Environment friendly. The product does not contain solvents, heavy metals, formaldehyde and asbestos, etc. The construction process without VOC and formaldehyde emissions. GEMP flooring, which is convenient for construction and easy maintenance. Main installation process has the following steps. Ground surface testing and deal with ground surface. Clean treating, patching and cutting, paving and scraping glue, lofting cutting and advanced paving, slotting and caulking, cleaning and finish. GEMP flooring pavement according to different types of ground and use of the environment. Selected 2-component polyurethane adhesive or 1-component polyurethane adhesive. Adhesive has a strong adhesive after curing, so that the GEMP flooring in the ground to form a system, a good impact of high strength. It is difficult to damage due to external forces. Delamination to ensure the use of GEMP flooring effect. Extend the service life of the industrial ground environment. Stitching of GEMP flooring can be based on customer requirements using seamless stitching or caulking stitching. Installation convenient and efficient. Easy maintenance and repair. 12 hours after installation can be put into use. The whole process of security and environmental protection. GEMP flooring has 2 categories, which is industrial grade and commercial grade. The industrial grade products can adapt to industrial general type, anti-static type, anti-corrosion type, anti-bacterial type of demand. Different solutions have been widely used in the textile, clothing, food, medicine, machinery, electronics, chemical manufacturing, and other industries. The commercial grade series, with 2 series of sheet and block, rich color and combination of the results, show widely used in sports, medical, commercial, and transportation systems, and other commercial places. Thorough plan, advanced equipment, professional training, experienced technician. We resolutely implement the product quality standards and construction requirements, strictly fulfill the warranty clause. We will put our heart to serve vast number of users, suppliers, and other partners. Is committed to becoming a leading enterprise in the application of advanced composite technology innovation. Our product covers 4 major areas: ground environment, communication industry, rail transit, and weaponry. We adhere to the goal of high-tech new material, leading innovation to build the core competitiveness of enterprises. We innovate in technology, continuously provide high-qualified products and services to the market. We stick to people-oriented, contributing to the development of society, and to achieve our own highest value. Regarding the responsibility of community and to the commitment to customers as a code of conduct, and faithfulness as the highest program of action, in order to be in an invincible position in the increasingly fierce market competition, to achieve sustainable business objectives.